How to rate and review an audiobook on Audible. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can rate and review an audiobook on Audible. And to do that, the first step is to log in into your Audible account just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. And so once you're on this page, the next step will be for you to locate the book that you would like to rate and review. And then once you've seen the book, click on the book and you'll be brought to the page where you see details about the book. So once you can see this, the next step is for you to move to the right side of the book where you can see more further details. Scroll down and then click on the more option button, which is usually located under the buy button. So by clicking on the more option button, you'll see options like add to cart, add to wishlist, write a review. So click on that. And so before you can write a review, ensure you've listened to the audiobook, right? For me, I'm not listening, that is why this page is displayed. But for you, clicking on write a review, you'll be taken to the review page where you can go ahead to leave your review and as well as leave your rating. And just like that, you'll be able to rate and review the book. So that is how it is. It's very simple. So just locate the book, move to the right side, click on the more options button, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful time listening to audiobooks on Audible.